kakain. Tama na muna.
Umaga, guys. We finally made it to Lanzarote. It's nighttime.
Guys, everything is flooding back to like memories,
Like the
walking
nostalgia
around.
and
Yeah.
the memories.
And
Yeah, everything seems the same but different.
at the
Well,
same time, yeah,
new things obviously throughout the years, but still.
there's like a very niche like parts where you think that it looks exactly the same as you remembered, but I'm pretty sure there's like small bits that they change.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, in this vlog, I'm gonna try to talk a little bit more, but I will show a lot of the stuff.
Yes.
My favorite spots, let's say.
I'll also like vlog a little bit in the story. Well, no promises, but yeah. I'll try to.
Next is F on Instagram.
Check me out. Check me out.
Guys, can't see the steak so much. Oh my god! Yes. Yan. Hello. This vlog is probably gonna feel a little bit random and hectic. This was my room before. It's kind of crazy now, but crazy. Basically, what we're doing, aside from being on vacation or on holiday here in Lanzarote, we are to get rid of stuff or old stuff. Oh my god, look at my pimple. I'm just like breaking out completely. Get rid of clothes, get rid of stuff. I have a full bookshelf that I'm going to tackle right now, so I clear that up and remove clutter and just keep the stuff that I want to keep for memories or something. We're
in Biosphera.
We're in Biosphere. I don't know if you can hear us.
Yep. And everything there's a few shops that we recognize, and some of them are closed, some of them are new. Yeah. But it's still the shopping center is still here.
There's a muka. That is Biosfera. This is like the shopping center or the mall that we've grown up going to. I hate these tiles because like look, it's slippery.
Don't slip and slide.
Just annoying this cat. Taking a nap. Oh, look at it. He's the concierge, or she's the concierge of this lounge bar, or the hotel, or the apartments actually. ¿Qué pasa? Todo el mundo está por aquí. Mira. They're probably from the same litter too. So for day 4, my cousins arrive from Milan. Es una mini lala. Literal. ¡Qué fuerte! ¡Qué fuerte! I just recorded everything and anything that I could, because even though I said I was going to talk more in the vlogs while I was filming, I just didn't. So day 5 already. Wow, almost a week. I loved being back in a country where I had the beach right down the street. It's just amazing, and look at the view. Nil, adka. And here's a little ASMR at the beach. Here's my cousin's daughter, Leah, who we've met for the first time in this trip. And we had a little reunion with them, with the rest of the gang. And this was back in the open mall in Arrecife. Here you can see how comfortable I was in the car while we were headed to lunch at the Asian buffet restaurant in Arrecife also. And we just went there with the family, and we were invited by Atelita and Kuya Johan, and we just had like a good lunch there. Some good food. It was really good, really good. again at the beach, of course. Like, we had to take the chance and go to the beach as much as we could because back in Ireland we don't have this. Also, the sun, as much sun as there is over here. So, yeah.
Look, she has wings.
A ver si se acuerdan de Princess. No creo que ha estado en mis vlogs antes, pero aquí está. Aquí está después de tantos años. Madre mía. As you can see, I met up with Princess, one of my high school childhood friends, really, over in Lanzarote, and just had a catch up. And of course, after that, we had to go and watch the World Cup. My favorite was this guy who had this inflatable crocodile that randomly just like kept putting it up. And of course, we were invited by Kuya Sanko and Ate Lalit for a great lunch. Ang sarap, like, oh my god. The bocadillos here hit different too. Oh my goodness. And of course with alioli sauce. So for day 10 we went to Dayland, which is the shopping center in Playa Honda. It used to be the only one before, but now there's other ones. Oh. Okay, nasa si Kin. Sina Kuya Niel.
Hello.
Si Lance. My dad cooked us crab again and seafood just because it's such a delicacy and it's my favorite.
Ili.
Mag-hi ka sa vlog. Dade!
Hi!
Lanzarote stayed the same, but not really. There are some shops and some places that are new and some things that, have changed definitely, but everything's still Lanzarote. We're going to the beach. Let's go get away. Sí, solo para mi YouTube. So for day 12, we went to visit something for the first time, believe it or not, Las Grietas de Lanzarote, which translating in English, it's the cracks or the crack of Lanzarote. It's basically volcanic, is it fissures? On the slopes of the Montaña Blanca volcano, which is located near Diaz. And yeah, we didn't know this was here all the years we've been living there. It's a little bit of an ASMR of how windy it was that day. I think every day here is windy. And actually, by the time we went back to the car to go home, we noticed that the side mirror was actually broken and taken down. We noticed that the car next to us that was parked had a ding on the side door, so, wind probably took the car door when they parked next to us and it just kind of broke the side mirror, so we wait for them afterwards to exchange details for the insurance. After the whole ordeal from Las Grietas, we went to Playa Blanca, and I've been here before when I was younger, but I just don't remember, so this was like cool to just go back there, grown up and stuff, and just see it again. It is a very, very nice place just by the coast, and yeah, we went to eat breakfast, some tapas at this restaurant, and then we looked down just by the water and we seen like a few red crabs, which was really cool.
Yan, ganyan ang nakain, hindi basta na.
Exterior.
Naku naman,
Qué rico.
nalaglag. Hindi ko pa nakukuhanan sarili ko.
Get a pet.
Yeah.
Get a pet.
Like some are literally just sitting.
Then finally Sean arrived. Oh my goodness, we finally have the family reunion. All the cousins are together once again.
When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. I'm just a kid and life is a nightmare. I'm just a kid, I know that it's not fair.
Non te lo dico.
What is this? Oh,
Ti ha dato il cane.
non c'è un cane. Non c'è un cane. There was no dog.
Non
Yeah.
posso dubitare.
Troppo tardi.
E cosa dico io?
Regla.
Sinabi mo cane.
Yeah.
Lagi lo giro.
Regla. No, te lo dico, è regla. No, it's not true. Mike, cos'è questo?
Un libro.
Taco.
Dubito. Non ho paura.
Go. Look.
Dai, dammi una. Godo.
Okay, now Keen has lost a life. And now we add a new box, a new toy.
Okay.
And now Keen has to send this.
What is this?
Paper clip.
La graffetta.
Later.
Io lo dico in italiano.
How did he lose it?
Because he gifted
He
her.
lied and then.
He
it was
lied.
the wrong.
She gets
it was the
it.
wrong
Okay,
gift.
okay.
Right.
Like it. What's this?
Oh my god, I don't even remember what that one is. What was mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? Sa brewer.
Yan na.
Pambasag. Ay,
Okay, everybody open your eyes. There has been gasoline has been put in the werewolf's house and nobody has died.
May dito din piniyokki.
Okay.
Okay.
So, pag
Sunod na yung
nagasolina yung
ragazzi.
isang wolf, not the kill doesn't happen?
No.
No,
The kill doesn't happen if the doctor protects or the prostitute sleeps with the right
Ma non ho
person.
capito che è successo.
Nessuno è morto.
Ma l'Arsenis che ha messo il...
Ha messo benzina a casa di un lupo, quindi
L'Arsenis può dirlo?
ma l'Arsenis deve vincere da solo. Quindi
All I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Oh, baby, tell me why'd you have to go?